In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to tag photos on LinkedIn. Sharing images on LinkedIn is a great way to engage with your professional connections, and tagging people in your photos can enhance this interaction. Let's dive into the steps to master this straightforward yet effective feature. First, go to your web browser and navigate to linkedin.com. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to sign in. LinkedIn offers a variety of login options for your convenience, so choose the one that suits you best. You can either sign in with your Google or Microsoft account for a streamlined process, or enter your email address and password to access your account directly. If you have two-factor authentication set up, LinkedIn might additionally ask you to verify your identity by sending a code to your phone number. Make sure you have your phone handy to complete this step smoothly. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on your LinkedIn homepage. Here, look towards the top of the page and click on Start a Post. This will present you with various options for creating content. To add a photo, click on the picture icon. This will prompt you to upload a file directly from your computer, so make sure the image you plan to tag people in is ready to go. After you've uploaded your chosen photo, click on Edit to unlock the editing options for your image. Among these options is the ability to tag individuals. Click on Tag, then proceed by clicking anywhere on the photo where you'd like to tag someone. A box will appear prompting you to type the name of the person you want to tag. As you type, LinkedIn will display a list of names. Go ahead and select the correct name from this list. Keep in mind that LinkedIn allows you to tag up to 30 people per photo. If you wish to tag additional individuals, just repeat this step as necessary. This feature is fantastic for networking and bringing attention to specific people within your professional circle. Once you're satisfied with your tags, click the Done button. This will bring you to a preview of your post. Here, you have the opportunity to add a caption to provide context or engage your audience further. Don't forget to select your preferred audience. LinkedIn gives you options for sharing with just your connections or a broader audience. When ready, click Post to share your tagged photo with your LinkedIn network. And there you have it. Now you know how to maximize your LinkedIn posts by effectively tagging photos. This can help increase visibility and interactions with your posts, making your professional network more vibrant and connected. Thanks for watching, and happy posting.